the threshold between seasons, when winter's breath still lingers, yet the promise of spring begins to stir, we stand before the Saigū Palace at Ise, the sacred residence of the Imperial Priestess who served the Sun Goddess. Here, on the eve of Setsubun, a quiet ritual unfolds. Painted wooden plaque, Emma, are hung before the sacred hall, one bearing a white horse calling for sunlight, another a black horse invoking rain. These humble offerings are prayers for balance, not to command the heavens, but to honor their rhythm. In the no play, Emma, this gentle act of devotion opens a door between worlds. Through chant and stillness, human voices awaken the hidden divine. An imperial envoy arrives, bearing offerings from the emperor. But before the rite begins, two pilgrims appear, an old man and an old woman, each carrying an Emma. The man prays for sun, the woman for rain. Their debate is gentle but profound, for the world thrives not by one element alone, but through harmony between opposites. They hang both Emma side by side, a symbol of equilibrium between heaven and earth. Then, as silence falls, the old couple reveals their true nature. They are no mortals, but the guardian deities of the Saigū Palace. With their vanishing, the air darkens, and the boundary of myth draws near. The world falls into darkness. From the heavenly cave, Amano Iwato, the Sun Goddess Amaterasu Ōmikami hides her light. Yet before the sealed stone, the divine dancer, Ame no Uzume, begins to move. She laughs, stamps, and sings, her joy so luminous that it breaks the stillness of heaven. In that moment, dance becomes prayer, and laughter restores the light of the world. The god Tajikarao pulls open the cave, and dawn floods the stage once more. The music rises, flute, drums, the sound of rebirth, a hymn to renewal and the turning seasons of the earth. At its heart, Emma is a meditation on balance. It weaves together ritual and myth, revealing that creation does not come from conflict, but from the meeting of contrasts, light and darkness, movement and stillness, the divine and the human. When the old couple hung both Emma, they taught that peace is not found in purity, but in the union of opposite. As the final chant fades, light returns to the Saigū Palace at Ise. What began as a human offering becomes a cosmic renewal. Two Emma remain, motionless, yet alive with the breath of the divine, and we are left to wonder what hidden light within us waits to be unsealed. Thank you for listening. As you step back into your own season of light and shadow, may the stillness of Emma remind you that renewal often begins in silence. ではまた。